Hey guys, we're here at Streetside Classics, and if you look behind me, we have a ton of muscle cars and classics. Over here at Streetside Classics, we have a ton of muscle cars and classics, and we're going through all these cars for you today. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, welcome back. We're at Streetside Classics near Tampa, and if you want to see any of these cars up close, you want to buy one, they're at streetsideclassics.com. Let's continue on. We put up a whole bunch of these. As you can see, we've done a lot of these cars, so if you want to see any of these, check out our other videos and go over them. So we have a 396 big block Camaro, 69 obviously. And this is a SS 350 Tribute. It's got a 350 V8, so it doesn't have the 396 like it says on the side. 3-speed automatic, and it's just really nice. Horseshoe shifter, gauge package, black on the inside, blue on the outside. Very nice, though. Very nice. But if you just don't want the standard 350, here's a 69. It says Z28. Giant cow induction hood. This thing is way lower. This one is a Chevy Camaro Pro Street with a 555 V8, 6-speed manual, everything you need to go racing. It's got the full roll cage, it's got tilt steering. This thing is a completely changed. This is not a Z28. This is something that could eat Z28s. If we look here and we go down low, right down there, you can see it's just slightly different. So, and then we even have the push for off button there. RPM Transmissions built this. This is a race car, or it's a street car in Florida because you can put a tag on it. All right, moving on. We've got a bright yellow with white SS Chevelle cow induction hood. It's got Krager SS. It says it's an SS 454. It is a 454, in fact, 4-speed, automatic with overdrive. Black on the inside, orange on the outside, B&M shifter. It is not an original SS. It's got the standard interior, standard dashboard. If it was an SS, there'd be round dials, not the square dials. But it's still a beautiful car. I love the white stripes on it. Very, very nice. Very sweet, heavy Chevy. All right, and then we have, is this a Nomad or is this a two-door station wagon? Chevy Handyman. So it's a 150 Handyman, 1956. 56? Yeah. So this is a 56. It's got a 350 V8, burgundy and maroon. So it's not a Nomad. The reason I was wondering is Nomads and four-door station wagons look very similar, but this is the Workman. So this was made, it's just a little bit different. The glass is a little different in the back. And we can go back here and look at it. So this would be the original SUV other than the Jeep Wagoneer. But right here, this back window area, that's what tells you it's not a Nomad. But very cool, very cool. Oh, all right, I'm not passing the Fords for any particular reason, guys. This is a 96 Ford Mustang Cobra, real Cobra, 4.6 liter V8, 5-speed manual right here, velour interior. Actually, it's a leather interior with velour seat covers. Black on the inside. Now this one has a very specific paint on here. This is the Mystic paint. It only came on Cobras, and it turns from a purple to a green, and very rare, super rare to get a Mystic paint, and you could not get Mystic paint on anything other than a Cobra, from what I understand from when I used to be in the Mustang Club. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, go ahead and put that down that I'm wrong. I'm not always perfect, but this is an SVT Cobra with the Mystic paint that changes as you walk around it. Very cool. Okay, we have a nice Ford Falcon here. Very plain Jane. Grandfather's Falcon right here. It's got the 170 inline 6 3-speed manual. So yes, this is your grandfather's Falcon, and it is mint. I would not change it. Why change this thing? Now the Falcon is basically underneath the same as those Mustangs over there. This Falcon and those Mustangs are basically the same underneath the skin. So, but beautiful white with red interior. I don't know what the gas mileage is on a 6-cylinder. I don't know, but very, very cool. All right, we got a big block 454, I believe 454, red Corvette. 1971 Chevy Corvette convertible, 454 V8, 3-speed automatic, red with black interior, which is exactly what you want. So that way the police officers can see you coming and they can hear you coming, and they know what you look like because you're in a convertible. So there you go. Next we have over here one of the very original muscle cars. So Ford Fairlane, and this is a Fairlane 500 XL, 1964, 3-speed, 427 V8. I love the interiors in these Fords because they almost have like bucket seats in the back and the front, similar to the early Chargers, the first generation Charger. But this thing has a 427 in it, and it just looks fast sitting there. You want to take this to a drag strip. It looks like it's ready to go to the drag strip. Okay, for those of you who enjoy GTXs, check it out. A beautiful GTX convertible. Look at this thing. Right next to it, another Plymouth. So this has a 440 in it. This is a 1969 GTX convertible, 440, super, 3-speed automatic, rally wheels, white. So this is just matching numbers car. Just insane. And right next to it's another 1969 GTX. Look at these cars. Convertible, topless with a top. However you want to go. If you want to go topless, if you want to get a hard top. Beautiful two-tone paint, black on the bottom. Just really, really, really nice car. Look at this. Super nice cars, both of them. Nice pair. One for you, one for your girlfriend, or one for you, one for your son, or one for you and one for your husband, whatever. You know, no judgments here. 1969 Plymouth GTX 440 Super. Sunfire yellow. Black interior. Nice. Super nice. And of course here's a Thunderbird. Really nice T-Bird. Was this a 65? Possibly? So let's see. got that fish front on. For some reason, that just reminds me of a fish. And this is a 65 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Yep. Awaiting a supreme detail on this one, which every Chevelle in the world should be awaiting a supreme detail. And if they're not, then they should be waiting another supreme detail, because it's a Chevelle and they all deserve it. Beautiful car. Look at this one. 69. See those valve covers? That tells you it's a big block. So you don't even know anything else except for looking at valve covers and going, yep, big block right there. And just beautiful black. Very, very sweet car right here. Shelby Cobra from Factory 5. It's a 1965 replica. It's really beautiful. And the only way you're going to own a Cobra, unless you got a 8-figure bank account, next to it we have a really sweet street rod. This has candy purple paint that's got metallic chips in it. Let's see. This is a 3-window coupe, 1933 Minolta. Really, really cool. Beautiful stripes, or flames rather. Beautiful flames. And that is not black. That is a deep, deep purple with metallic chips in it. Red interior. Really beautiful. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.